While having a portable laptop is handy, the lower screen height tends to cause neck and muscle discomfort. The use of laptop stands will help lift up your screen to reduce muscle and tension stress while you are working, surfing, or viewing a movie. But with so many choices out there, it is not always easy to figure out which is the best for you. In this video, we're breaking down the best 3 laptop stands on the market this year based on price, features, style, and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a dedicated tabletop laptop stand or a versatile all-in-one, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which laptop stand will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. First off, we have the Comfy Desk, our pick for most versatile laptop stand. Traditional laptop stands are okay at your desk, but when you're working on the couch or in bed, it's not always practical to be doing a balancing act with your laptop on top of your lap. Comfy Desk is a perfect versatile portable workstation solution in both your home or office. Comfy Desk allows you to conveniently work on your bed, sofa, and couch. It's not only a place to securely rest your laptop, but it's also a cooling pad, a mouse pad, a place to read your books and magazines, a place to serve on your tablet, and a company desk can even double as a monitor stand or a dinner table while you are watching TV. It's like having your own little transformer laptop stand. The position of the company desk can be adjusted to exact required level you need so your laptop can be held at a vertically any position or angle, and it can be rotated 360 degrees and locked in place at various angles. To top that, when not in use, Comfy Desk can be quickly collapsed for storage or easy travel. There's 2 built-in cooling fans that dissipate heat from your laptop, keeping it running cool and efficient. The unique aluminum design is strong yet lightweight and completely customizable to suit whatever positioning you need. The greatest thing about your Comfy Desk is how it brings the convenience and functionality of your desk to your sofa or bed, perfectly balancing your laptop while keeping it cool at the same time. Whether you're working, surfing, or binge watching Netflix, Comfy Desk will keep you comfortable and your laptop cool for about the same price as many regular laptop stands. Comfy Desk also doubles as a versatile, handy, multifunctional, fully adjustable table that can be used in a variety of locations. Next up is the Rain Design mStand, our pick for the most durable tabletop laptop stand. Unlike the Comfy Desk, the Rain Design mStand trades height adjustment and overall versatility for a very solid durable build. The Rain Design mStand is priced just under $40 and is designed for those looking to use their laptops like a desktop. The mStand is about as far from a portable laptop stand as you can get. It's shaped in a curve and has some serious heft to it. You would be hard pressed to conveniently store it, to let alone tote it around in your backpack. But if you wanted to stay on the lives permanently on your desk, then this is a great option. The entire stand is made out of sturdy aluminum that both resists damage and acts as a heat sink for a laptop, and it has an elegant minimalistic design. Just position your laptop on the stand and connect a wireless or USB keyboard and mouse and you're ready to go. The mStand raises the back end of your laptop about 5 3/4 inches off the desk, which puts the screen at a roughly the right height for most sitting people. You won't be able to tweak it to fit your height, laptop, and workspace, but using it is certainly better than using your laptop flat on a desk. If your laptop are particularly tall or short, though, you'll be better off with an adjustable stand like the Comfy Desk mentioned earlier. When used with a self-contained keyboard, the mStand does a great job. It's stylish, sturdy, and allows a decent amount of airflow around your laptop. It's molded from a single piece of aluminum and has a hole in the rear to trail your cables. If you're looking for a great docking station with good cable management, then the Rain Design mStand is one of the best options out there. Finally, we have the Roost Laptop Stand, our choice for the most portable laptop stand. Unlike the other 2 laptop stands in this video, the Roost Laptop Stand is a portable work of magic that can completely fold up into a frame small and thin enough to fit into your pocket at just under $75. The Roost is extremely useful for travelers, but it is a pricey option though. Although the Roost is made of lightweight plastic, it doesn't feel cheap and is very well constructed. Because portable laptop stands fold up or break up down for transport, they're usually not as stable as a desktop stand, but that is not the case here. The Roost laptop stand is very stable and well balanced, even while holding 15-inch laptops that weigh over 5 pounds. The stand's rubber feet and laptop grips minimize vibration and hold your computer firmly so that it doesn't slide around or shake when you type. When you are fully extend the Roost laptop stand out, you'll have a fully functioning 6 to 11-inch height adjustable stand. It's stable enough for a desk, but lightweight and compact enough when collapsed to carry around. It's quick and easy to set up and break down, and folds down to roughly the size of 2 large Snicker bars. End to end, you can easily throw in a bag to take it wherever you're headed for the day. The Roost Laptop Stand is a really excellent alternative to the Rain Design mStand. If you require the ability to adjust the height, if you work while traveling, or if you commute between multiple workspaces and want to stand it to use at both home and at your destination, the Roost Laptop Stand is a top choice. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.